Running your sprinklers longer doesn't mean your lawn gets more water. Instead, try Cycle and Soak.
Most sprinkler heads put out water much faster than our clay soils can absorb here in Colorado. Allowing time between watering cycles significantly increases the amount of water that makes it to your lawn's root zone. With Cycle and Soak, you'll have a healthier lawn that can stand up to drought, and less water will be lost to runoff. Instead of watering for 15 minutes, water for 5 minutes 3 times, waiting 30 to 60 minutes between each cycle.
Many controllers have the option to set multiple start times, allowing you to easily schedule each cycle.
If you have a smart controller, you already have a Cycle and Soak function on your app. Look for something that says Smart Cycle or Smart Watering. Cycle and Soak prevents water waste caused by runoff and keeps your turf healthy and strong. Water smarter, not longer, with Cycle and Soak.
For more outdoor water conservation tips, please visit highlandsranchwater.org.